channel. If you're new, I am Molly. As you can tell by the video, I will be doing another what I eat in a day video. I had a lot of fun making the last one and showing all of you what I ate, and so I decided to make another one. I don't have a lot of groceries at the moment, so a lot of what I'm eating is cleaning out my refrigerator or just using what I have, and that's really realistic. If you want to see what I eat today, keep on watching. Good morning. I just finished working out. That's why I look like this. I'm going to have some lemon water, shower and get ready, and then get some real food in my stomach. Hungry right now, so I'm just going to make a quick breakfast. I have to use up this banana before it goes bad, and I don't have that many groceries right now, so I'll be making oatmeal. To make this delicious oatmeal, first I mash up my banana. Then I add in half a cup of rolled oats and about a half cup of water. You could also use quick cooking oats if you have that. I usually use almond milk, but I was out. You will see that water works just as good. I drizzle a bit of maple syrup, but most of the sweetness should come from the ripe banana. I incorporate everything together, then microwave it for 2 minutes. While the oatmeal is cooking, I'm slicing up some strawberries. The strawberries add a brightness to the oatmeal. Plus, banana and strawberry is always a good combo. Once the oatmeal is done cooking, add in some mini chocolate chips. I found this vegan brand made with all natural ingredients, and it is so good. I recommend semi-sweet so that the oatmeal isn't overly sweet where it makes you sick. I add the chocolate chips first so that they can melt a little, and then add in the strawberries. I almost forgot to add the cacao nibs. They're my favorite part, so make sure you try it with the cacao nibs. They just add a perfect crunch to the oatmeal. They are a little bitter by themselves, but with the chocolate and the oatmeal, it's just perfect. I love this oatmeal so much because all the flavors go so well together. It makes eating oatmeal so much more fun and satisfying when it has chocolate in it. I also love this oatmeal in the winter time. If you get sick of eating oatmeal easily, try this recipe and let me know what you think. Even though I don't have a lot of groceries at the moment, I can always count on there being oatmeal in my pantry. Yesterday I made this smoothie and I have a little bit left over. I just kept it in here because I was lazy, but now I'm going to finish it. I made this for lunch yesterday, so I am using the leftover chickpea rotini for lunch again today. I used the Barilla brand. The first bowl I poured it into was a little small, so I had to transfer it to a bigger bowl. To make this simple pasta, you will need fire roasted bell peppers. I love roasted peppers, so it makes this easy pasta feel more special. I just cut them into small bite-sized pieces. For this sauce, I'm using this sun-dried tomato pesto. It's my favorite, although it is made with some cheese. I haven't found a vegan one that I like yet, so leave me some suggestions if there's one I should try. Once the pesto is mixed through, I heat it up in the microwave. This is when I chop some basil leaves. Fresh basil can really make a dish for me, so I used 8 leaves. You can use however many you want though. I top the pasta off with the basil and it is ready to eat. This was my second time eating chickpea pasta, so I can't really tell if it's more filling than whole wheat pasta, which is what I usually eat, although it does have more protein. This one bowl did make me very full because I was going to eat an apple, but the pasta filled me up. For dinner, I am making one of my favorite meals ever, which is vegetable fried rice. Fried rice is one of those foods that I can eat anytime, anywhere. It's better to use cold rice or day-old rice, but I didn't have any, so earlier in the day I made some rice and chilled it. If I was cooking for myself, I would just use brown rice, but today my boyfriend and I were making dinner together, so I used white jasmine rice. The veggies we are cutting up is for several servings. I'm making veggie fried rice for myself and my boyfriend is making beef fried rice with veggies. For this part, you can really use whatever you have. I have made this fried rice with bell peppers, mushrooms, cabbage, and it is all delicious. Use whatever veggies that need to be used up. Today, I'm chopping up carrots, onion, and garlic. I don't have space for a compost bin in my apartment, so I freeze any scraps and empty it at the garden compost when the bag is full. That way I won't get any fruit flies hanging around. Garlic is one of the main flavors in my dish, so I use about 4 cloves and 2 are for my boyfriend. While he was cutting the broccoli, I made my current favorite drink. I don't really like soda, but once in a while I like to drink a Sprite. This is a healthier version. I use lemon-lime flavored seltzer water and another sparkling water that is sweetened. The drink is half and half with the seltzer and sparkling water. I squeeze in fresh lime juice to get a real lime taste. I like a little pulp in there as well. It's very light, refreshing, and is perfect for that summer vibe. Back to the fried rice. I add in some grapeseed oil and let the pan heat up. When it is hot, I saute the onion and garlic for a few minutes. They should be very fragrant. Then I add the carrots and broccoli. These are heartier vegetables, so to cook them, I add a little water and let them steam. I don't want to water down the garlic flavor, so I steam the veggies for about 3 minutes. Before steaming, I also add a little salt to help with the cooking process as well as to flavor the veggies. After 3 minutes, the carrots and broccoli should be bright in color and still have some crunch. It's time for the rice. I used about 3 cups in total. This makes 2 to 3 servings depending if it's a main dish or a side dish. I remembered that I had some frozen sweet corn to use up, so I added that too. I break down the rice and mix all the ingredients together. To season the rice, I use vegetarian mushroom oyster sauce. If I had a wok, I would drizzle the sauce around the wok so the heat would caramelize the sauce as it meets the rice. But I only have a pan, so I drizzle it around once. I use about 1 to 2 tablespoons. I make sure the sauce is evenly mixed in, then add salt and black pepper to taste. I let the rice sit on the pan a little so it can get toasted and darker in color. I think for me, fried rice is one of my ultimate comfort foods. I want another bowl right now. It was so delicious. I was craving something sweet, so I finished off dinner with the last of the dried mango I had. I also enjoyed my drink very much. And that is everything that I ate today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss any new videos from me. Bye!